this tutorial happens to be the continuation of course CIT212, where this being said, let's go straight into it. Okay, so we have the major information system. Okay, CIT212, and under the major information system, we have, perhaps I should remind us, we've been talking about information system for quite some time now. Okay, we're talking about informational system for quite some time now, and a lot has been discussed, a lot has been said about the term, and we're going to be continuing some major information system. Okay, some major information system. Under this, we have the likes of, are we on the same page? We have the likes of, okay, the likes of formal information system. Okay, we also have informal and computer based. All right, formal. All right, we have informal. There we have computer. Okay, computer based information system. And let's take it one step at a time. A formal information system is based on organization presented by organization chart. All right, organization based on organization chart. This chart is said to be a map. All right, a map of positions and their authority relationship, indicating, all right, indicated by boxes and connected by straight lines. All right, pictorial representation of the map, who is who, and how each and every one of us should respond or relate with each other. So we have that. Also, we have an informal information system. Now, under this system, an employee, all right, is an employee-based system. Now, what do we mean by employee-based system? All right, we are simply talking about an employee-based system to meet personal and vocational needs and to help in their solution, help in the solution of work-related problems. It also funnels information upward towards indirect channels. In this consideration, all right, in this way, it is considered to be a useful system because it works within the framework of the business and its stated policies. All right, informal information system. Informations are being routed upward. Nevertheless, it still acknowledges the business stated policies. All right, so we have that as that. Now let's take a step further. The computer based, as we have different types, all right, of transportation systems, such as highway system, railway system, and airline system. Computer based information systems are of too many types. All right, this information based on computer system, they are classified as, okay, transaction process system, management information system, DSS, OAS. All right, this is more like the transportation or the sharing of information. All right, just like we have other means of transportation, the computer-based information system also have varieties like TPS, MIS, TPS, okay, MIS, and the likes of DSS. Now, the TPS is an acronym for Transaction Processing System. MIS is an acronym for Management Information System. And we have Decision Support System, which is DSS. So we have that understand. So very quickly, let's touch on what it means by transaction process system. This is said to be the most fundamental computer-based system in an organization. All right, pertains to the processing of business transactions. A transaction processing system can be said to be a computer-based system that captures, classifies, stores, maintains, updates, retrieves transaction data for record keeping for input of other type of transactions. It goes a long way. You can see that. It has a lot of things involved as it captures, more like its records. It collects, classifies, stores, maintains, updates, retrieves transaction data for the sake of record keeping. Transaction processing system. That is the TPS. All right. We also have the management information system, MIS. Data processing by computer has been extremely effective because of several reasons. Are we together? The main reason is being that huge amount of data relating to account and other transactions can be processed very quickly. All right, management information system, all right, explains this to us. Now, MIS can be described as the information system that can provide all levels of management with information essential to the running of smooth business. Information that are essential at your fingerprint as a result of MIS. So we have that as that. We also have the DSS. It is an information system that offers the kind of information that may be predictable. All right, it may be predict. All right, I beg your pardon, is predictable. All right, the kind that business professionals may need only once. Now, this system does not produce regular scheduled management reports. Instead, they are designed to respond to a wide range of requests. All right, what makes this a little bit different is that it's a digital support system. All right, so the information system that offers this information that may be what predictable, and this kind that business professionals may need only once, more like a self-destructing information. All right, it doesn't come often, it comes just once in a while. So we have that. Now let's quickly look at SDLC. What it means by SDLC. SDLC is an acronym for System Development Life Cycle. Okay, System Development Life Cycle. When we say System Development Life Cycle, we are simply talking about the fact that system development is a process consisting of two major steps, which are analysis and design. Okay, which are analysis and design. Now let's break things down. Having talked about the two major aspects, there are lots more to it. The system development life cycle, we're talking about the life cycle here, consists of activities like preliminary investigation, determination of system requirements, the design of the system, the development of software, all right, and basically about 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so to start with, we have the preliminary, like the very first thing that needs to be done. Investigation. Preliminary investigation. Okay, determination of system requirements. Determination of system requirements. All right, we have design of system, and we have development of, okay, development of software. Let's take this one step at a time. Permit me to raise the board. I can take this one step at a time. Now we have preliminary investigation. A request to take assistance from information system can be made for many reasons, but in each case, someone in the organization initiates the request. Now, when the request is made, the first system activity, the preliminary investigation begins. When the request is being made, request for certain development or redress or review, then the very first thing to do is to initiate preliminary investigation. Now, when we say preliminary investigation, these activities is broken down into 3 parts. All right. Request clarification. First thing, feasibility study, and request approval. Now, when we say request clarification, many requests from employees and users in the organizations are not clearly defined. So this process, you get to find out what exactly is the request all about, to clarify every doubt so that you don't act in a wrong direction or you don't take wrong decisions when it comes to, all right, initiating the investigation. Are we together? So we have feasible study. When we say feasible, that is an FEA, that's not B, fee, all right? Feasible study. An important outcome of the preliminary investigation is the determination that the system requested is feasible. So one reason for making the investigation clarification is that we want to find out if the request would be a wise relevant project, if it's actually something you can carry out, all right, if it's actually realistic. So from the clarification, you now determine if the request is actually a feasible study. Okay, so we have that as that. Now, when we say visibility studies can also be broken down into 3 aspects. All right, we have the technical feasibility, economic feasibility, and we have the operational, all right, feasibility. Like we have it here, the technical feasibility is that can the work for the project be done with the current equipment? Okay, equipment available, can it execute the project? What about the resource? What about the finance? What about the operation? Will the system be used if it is developed and implemented? Speaking about how effective or how realistic is it? if this system is eventually developed and implemented. So we have that as that. So now let's take a step. Let's take a step further. Okay. So we have, what are the determinations? Just want to talk about that. We also have what it means by request approval. Okay, it is not necessary that all request projects are desirable or feasible. All right, having gone through all this process, request, clarification, the feasibility of the study, then it will now determine if this request will be approved or not. Okay, so we have that as that. Now let's talk about the determination of system requirements. Some of the determinations are what is, all right, what is being done, how and how frequent will this occur? How is it being done? How frequently does it occur? How well does the task, all right, how well is the task being performed? And we have that as that. So very quickly, just like we did mention from the onset, we said something about design system. When we say design system, design is design. The design of an information system produces the detail that clearly describe how a system will meet the requirement. Okay, it produces the details that clearly, all right, details that does what clearly describe how a system, okay, a system will meet its requirements. How a system will meet its requirements. All right, requirements identified during the system, all right, analysis. So requirements is identified during system analysis, not during system, not during design, system design or design system. All right. What design system does is that it produces in detail, all right, that clearly describes. It produces, all right, the details, all right, and this detail will clearly describe, okay, the details that clearly describe, all right, how a system will meet its requirements as specified in system analysis. Now, this it is the responsibility of the system specialist, all right. Now, this stage usually it is being referred to, according to the system specialist, as the logical design. Okay, logical design. Okay, in contrast to the process of developing program software, which is referred to as the physical design. So when it comes to the developing of program software, it is referred to as a physical design. But when it comes to the design system, the specialists prefer to refer to it as a logical design. So the system analyst begins the design process by identifying reports and other output systems they will produce. Then the specific data on each are what pinpointed. So we have that as that. Okay. So we'll call it wrap here for today. And in our next class, I think a few more classes, we should be calling it wrap of the course. Okay. In our next class, we're talking about development of software. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. I believe we're going to do something in this class. Please let's keep our notes up to date and submit them to our courses. You have a wonderful evening.